Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The sour mandarin orange tea is a product that shows the Hakka people's intelligence and thriftiness. They took the sourest mandarin oranges with no market value and turned them into a healthy tea by putting previously damaged tea leaves into the sour oranges. It takes a lot of effort to make this type of tea, including months of steaming, drying, and baking. The finished tea can be preserved for as much as 10 years.
Yo, it's time for some Talk About Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hey， 大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。你又在喝什么啦？每次你喝东西都不带来给我喝的。
这是我保养喉咙的秘方。
Leo is drinking something right here. I've never smelled this before, but he's drinking it by himself. I want him to introduce what this is. 对，所以你来介绍一下嘛。
好啦，你看我手上拿这个东西，无便便呢？
什么意思？无便便
就是黑黑扁扁的东西。
哦，对啊，是啊，黑黑扁扁的啊，乌手手那样子啊。
乌手手，对，乌手手，没错。
我不知道啊 ，I don't know。
酸甘茶，
酸甘茶，
酸甘茶
是酸的吗？
其实喝起来倒是没有什么酸啦，但是它本来的东西是一个，就叫酸甘，就是一个放在
柑橘的柑嘛，
放神桌旁边那2颗很大的。那个可以放很久那个酸柑。
I know what he's talking about. It's actually the sour mandarin orange. It's one of those huge oranges that they have here in Taiwan. 就是叫 mandarin orange， 然后是酸柑做的，就对了。
对。
那怎么会变黑黑的呢？
我们会把它切开嘛，把果肉拿出来，然后放茶叶进去，然后要整勾。整勾就是
要先蒸
过。
OK。
会拿一晒一条，
晒一条啦哈。然后之后呢？
然后把它压扁。
OK。
所以就是你现在看到这个圆圆扁扁、圆圆扁扁有五的东西。
Okay, so in order to make this final product, the sour mandarin orange tea, they have to first steam it, 要先蒸它，
整勾，
and then they have to dry it, 要晒它，
晒一条，
晒一条 and then finally they press it, 要压它，对不对？才能成为现在我目前看到的这个样子。
对，笋甘茶。
Okay, that is the sour mandarin orange tea. And even though it looks very dark, but Leo say it's very tasty. 其实它的味道到底是怎么样？让我喝一下吧。
好啊。怎样？你觉得
？Nice. So there you go. A different tea. Okay, 下次就可以多带点这个酸甘茶给我喝了。
好啊，下次一人带一杯啊。
Okay. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.